In this super weird digital age of dating, mastering the art of texting is crucial for making a lasting impression on someone you're interested in. If you're the shy type that's not really into banter and want to text her like a boss, a well-crafted text message can captivate her attention and leave her eagerly anticipating your next move. If you're wondering how to pique her interest through text, you've come to the right channel. Here is a powerful 3-text message combination that is guaranteed to make her take notice and keep you on her mind. Step 1. The curiosity-piquing opener. The key to grabbing her attention from the get-go is to send a text message that ignites her curiosity and leaves her wanting more. Instead of resorting to the typical, "Hey, what's up?" try something more intriguing like, "Hey, Sarah, quick question for you. I caught you looking at me multiple times last night. Is there something you wanted to tell me?" This opener accuses her of looking at you. By saying this, you are playfully telling her that you know she has a crush on you. Even if it's not true, you're setting yourself apart from the sea of mundane messages she receives and inviting her to engage in a conversation that's both playful and thought-provoking. Part 2. The complementary connection builder. Once you've initiated the conversation, it's essential to establish a genuine connection by showing appreciation for who she is. Sending a sincere compliment can go a long way in making her feel valued and special. Here's an example of a text message that effortlessly combines flattery with a personal touch. "I couldn't help but notice how passionate you are about Latin dance. I would like to know more about what sparked an interest in you. I've actually always wanted to see if I could get into it too." By acknowledging her passions and expressing genuine interest in learning more about them, you're demonstrating that you see her as more than just a pretty face. This thoughtful approach fosters a deeper connection and sets the stage for meaningful conversation. Step 3. The intriguing invitation. Once you've established rapport and built a foundation of mutual interest, it's time to take things to the next level by suggesting a memorable experience together. Rather than asking her out in a generic way, try crafting an invitation that's both specific and intriguing. "I was going to go to a hidden gem of a coffee shop downtown tonight that serves the best mocha drink. I'd love to treat you to one. What time should I pick you up?" By suggesting a specific activity and highlighting the unique qualities of the venue, you're showing that you've put thought into planning the date and creating a memorable experience for her. This not only demonstrates your genuine interest in getting to know her better, but also sets the stage for a memorable and enjoyable outing. Also, you're not giving her an option to decline, only an option for time. Mastering the art of text messaging can significantly enhance your dating game and make you stand out from the crowd. By sending text messages that pique her curiosity, establish a genuine connection, and suggest intriguing experiences, you can captivate her interest and lay the groundwork for a meaningful relationship. So go ahead, try out these 3 text messages and watch as her interest in you grows with each captivating exchange. If you found this video to be helpful, please do us a favor and subscribe to our channel so we can keep creating great content. Go ahead and hit the like button because it's free for you, but worth so much to us. If you want more in-depth text message ideas, watch this video here.